Hey my friends, welcome back to the last episode on my TOEFL series, which is about writing. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how I scored 28 in 2 consecutive TOEFL writing exams. I would say this is a very stable outcome. And in this video, I'll be covering how I train myself to type fast, how to use high scoring writing templates, and some very practical formulas to fill in the blank to back up your argument. And also lastly, how to employ ChatGPT as an assistant to boost your performance. So now let's talk about integrated writing, where I have 6 points for you to consider. So the writing time is actually only 20 minutes and I managed to write 280 words. So this level of word count is very important throughout integrated writing and academic writing. But to reach this level, I think there are 4 crucial elements you need to keep in mind. A, effectively express the content from the reading and listening sections. A good initial English level can definitely help, but high quality note-taking techniques can also significantly enhance your performance overall. B, use advanced and complex language expressions, including clauses and phrases to lengthen your essay. And C, have a fast typing speed. And lastly, avoid thinking while writing. So once you finish organizing your information on your scratch paper, just write all the way through non-stop. This is very important also for academic writing. So for the first 2 elements, I highly recommend you to check out this guy's video. It's such a wonderful video. There's no competitor, hands down. It's all in English, so please check it out. So it comprehensively covers the entire process, from how to read the passage, take notes from listening materials, and how to lengthen your essay with very complex and advanced language. It's a very practical and highly effective answer template, I would say. And regarding the third point, typing fast, I have 2 methods. So the first one, I was inspired by Ali Abdaal. I used the thing that he recommended called 10fastfingers.com, but actually I found another one that's even more effective. That's speed typing online. It provides complete sentences with coherent logic and offer more like flexible content, which makes sense. So after practicing 2 weeks, I went from 50 plus WPM to 100 plus WPM words per minute. The second method is to actually use a blank document. You turn off autocorrection and turn on the word count. After you look at a prompt and you time yourself and you type as fast as you can to really mimic the real environment. I also want to add something to reading. It's very different from the first reading section, so you don't need to read paragraph by paragraph. You just need to power through the whole thing and then take some notes if you want to, because after all, the passage will still be there the whole time you're writing the essay, so it's not necessary. And for listening, please write down as many details as possible because it weights more in a rubrics. Again, avoid the whole sentences or vocab and try to observe how the speaker concludes every paragraph. And lastly, manage your writing time. According to my experience, the best practice is to finish writing within 15 to 17 minutes once the timing starts. You need to leave at least 3 to 5 minutes at the end to revise and check your essay. So focus on checking for typos, like repetitive phrases or vocab. You need to replace them with synonyms, and also you need to make sure that the reading information is properly and fully summarized in the introductory paragraph of your essay. And lastly, I want to share with you 3 tips on academic writing. So academic writing is a little bit more time constrained. According to my experience, I can write 170 words during the 10-minute. It's very crucial to keep an eye on the time. So in my case, it's not that I cannot write enough words. It's just that I often got carried away, without looking at the time. So often struggle to conclude the essay. So I promise this is going to be the very last tip of this video and of our TOEFL series. So for academic writing, I didn't use anybody else's templates. I just developed this 3-paragraph structure for my own. And if you don't know how to use this formula combo for the 3rd paragraph, or you just simply don't know which stance to choose, don't worry, I got your back. You can always use this ChatGPT prompt on screen. You can pause or take a screenshot or whatever for future reference. So that wraps up my TOEFL score improvement series. I hope you found it helpful. So I'll see you in my next videos and wish you best luck for your upcoming exams. Bye guys.